Many poultry farmers focus a lot on feed, but one very important thing is often ignored, and that is water. The truth is, chickens can survive longer without feed than without water. If birds do not get enough clean water daily, their growth will slow down, egg production will drop, and sickness can easily set in. In this video, I will explain in a very simple way how much water chickens need daily, why water is so important, and the common mistakes farmers make with water management. Before we continue, please like this video, subscribe to the channel for more practical poultry farming tips, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Let's start with something very important. Water is involved in almost everything inside a chicken's body. Chickens need water for digestion, for absorbing nutrients from feed, for regulating body temperature, and for producing eggs. So when water is not enough, even the best feed will not work properly. Now, how much water chickens need daily depends on three main things: their age, the weather, and the type of bird, whether broilers or layers. Let's talk about day-old chicks first. Day-old chicks drink small amounts of water, but they need access to water at all times. On average, a day-old chick may drink about 20 to 30 milliliters of water per day. What matters most at this stage is not the quantity alone, but the availability. Water must always be clean, fresh, and close to them so they don't get stressed. As chicks grow, their water intake increases steadily. By the time broilers are about 3 to 4 weeks old, each bird may drink around 150 to 250 milliliters of water per day depending on temperature. Now let's talk about adult broilers. An adult broiler close to market weight can drink between 400 to 600 milliliters of water daily. During hot weather, this amount can even double. This is why farmers notice that birds eat less feed when water is limited. No water means no appetite. Now, for layers, water is even more critical. Layers need water not only to stay alive, but also to produce eggs. On average, a laying hen drinks about 250 to 500 milliliters of water per day. If water reduces even slightly, egg production drops almost immediately. In hot weather, layers drink more water, and if water is not enough, you may notice smaller eggs, fewer eggs, or no eggs at all. This brings us to a very important point. Water and feed work together. For every amount of feed a chicken eats, it needs about 2 times that amount in water. So if water is restricted, feed intake automatically reduces. Another common mistake farmers make is giving water only at certain times of the day. Chickens should have access to water at all times, both day and night. Taking water away stresses the birds and affects performance. Water quality also matters a lot. Dirty water can cause diseases like diarrhea, coccidiosis, and bacterial infections. Always make sure drinkers are cleaned daily and water is changed regularly. In hot climates, water should be cool and fresh. Warm or dirty water discourages birds from drinking enough. Spacing and drinker positioning also play a role. If drinkers are too few or poorly positioned, some birds will not get enough water, especially weaker ones. Make sure drinkers are evenly distributed so all birds can drink without stress. Also remember that medications, vitamins, and vaccines are often given through water. If birds are not drinking enough water, they will not receive the correct dosage and treatment may fail. So never joke with water in poultry farming. Feed is important, but water is even more important. Before you end your daily farm routine, always check 3 things. Is water available? Is it clean? Is it enough for all the birds? If you can manage water properly, you will notice better growth, better egg production, healthier birds, and higher profits. If you found this explanation helpful, please like this video, share it with another poultry farmer, and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical poultry farming guides. Let me know in the comments if you want a video explaining how to position drinkers correctly or how to manage water during hot seasons. Thank you for watching, and I wish you success in your poultry farming journey.